Hey there, animal lovers! Today, I'm diving into the world of pythons. These fascinating creatures can grow to some truly surprising lengths. Let's check it out. First up, the ball python. These guys are on the smaller side, usually growing between 3 to 5 feet long. They're popular in the pet trade because of their manageable size and docile nature. Perfect for beginners. Next, we have the Burmese python. Now, these snakes are massive. They can reach lengths of up to 23 feet. Imagine a snake longer than a school bus. Burmese pythons are native to Southeast Asia, and they're known for their beautiful patterns and impressive size. But wait, there's more. The reticulated python holds the record for the longest snake in the world. They can grow over 30 feet long, that's right, 30 feet. These giants are also from Southeast Asia and are known for their striking coloration and intricate patterns. Now let's not forget the African rock python. These powerful snakes can grow up to 20 feet long and are found across sub-Saharan Africa. They're known for their strength and resilience, often taking on large prey like antelopes and even crocodiles. And there you have it. Pythons come in a variety of sizes, from the modest ball python to the enormous reticulated python. Each species has its own unique charm and place in the ecosystem. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing snakes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me for more incredible animal adventures. Thanks for watching and stay curious.